Hi all, good morning. Today we'll discuss about Jenkins installation on Amazon Linux. It's a simple and pretty straightforward. We need Java and we'll install Jenkins and we'll access the Jenkins admin console page. So let me log in into the my AWS console. So currently I have one server which is up and running. So let me log in into this server. I'm just logging into the server with my EC2 user. So currently I'm in home directory. So let me check the Java version. Java. Currently we have 1.8 Java. So this is enough to install and to run the Java, to run the Jenkins. Then we'll install some prerequisites. So we are good with Java. If not Java, just type sudo yum install Java 1.8. So Java will install. And then we required some repos. Just click, and then we need some key. It's done. And finally we'll install Jenkins. To install Jenkins, just sudo yum install. Click on yes. So currently we are installing 2.2 version. Yeah, Jenkins installation has been completed. Then we need to start Jenkins. To start Jenkins, we just need service Jenkins start command. Yeah, starting Jenkins. It is okay means Jenkins has started. By default, Jenkins will start on 8080 port. To access the Jenkins console, admin console, just take the public IP of your EC2 instance and open the browser. Click on 8080. The Jenkins admin console is getting loaded. To unlock the Jenkins, get the password which is located in var/var/lib Jenkins secret and initial admin password. This is the password. Click here and continue. It will take for a while. Yeah. Install suggested plugins. Click on here. The plugins getting loaded, getting installed. So these are the some default plugins which we require. Yeah, almost where. Just click on username. In my case, I'm just giving with my VS Minds and password. Just give any password. Just give your username and password, confirm password, full name, and email address. Save and continue. Click on save and continue. And this is the default port. They will suggest like just log in with this default port. Since this is our IP address, save and finish. Now start using, click on start using Jenkins. Jenkins is ready. So this is the Jenkins homepage. This is the Jenkins. Just click your new items, your build history, manage Jenkins, my views. These the things is in the stuff. So this is your username. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll discuss about the jobs and the default code changes and remaining things about the Jenkins. Thank you.